In this video, you'll learn how to enable automatic software downloads on your Sony WH-CH720N headphones. Now for this, you will be needing to use the companion app, which is the Sony Sound Connect app, and you'll need to have connected both the headphones and the app together. If you don't know how to do so, then I'll leave a video linked in the description down below so you can follow through with that process. And so now once we have both devices connected together, you need to launch the app on your phone. Then from here, just ensure that your headphones are successfully connected and the screen should look something like this. The next step is to navigate to the settings menu. So scroll down and select the option device settings and then swipe from sound to the system category. From here, scroll down until you find download software automatically, and all you need to do is just tap on the toggle to switch it on. Now that you've successfully enabled it, you now have two options. You have always download automatically, which means no matter if you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, the software download will happen, or you can choose to set it to download over Wi-Fi only. So it's up to you to make your choice, and once you've done that, it means that your software will automatically be downloaded and installed as long as you have an internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi, mobile data, or both. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.